Morning, folks. Oh, man. Whew. Had a bit of a late night last night. So we've made some tweaks to our strategy. So we've added the awesome oscillator, as you can see. And really, we're not using it too much in the 5-minute chart, but basically, we just want to make sure that on the 4-hour that there's confluence. So we're still green, still maxed out up here, which is good. I better make sure my trades are set up. You caught me monologuing. Oh, okay. Looks like we're going to get a buy right at 7:30, so 20 seconds. Yeah, trade looks good. We'll go long here. And we are long. Is this for real? Wow, we just shot down. What the heck? Okay, well, I think we're just gonna lose this trade. Oh my heck, dude. Come on. We have not had some good days lately. No, we're not stopped out yet. Jeez, it just like shot. Okay. Alright, we're stopped out. Wow. Oh, 2 minutes in, and we're already. Freak, dude. Okay, well, we got some makeup work to do here. Damn it. Okay, well, switch into our $5,000 account. Gosh. figure out a more efficient way to execute these two legs of this trade. I'm sure there's a way in Trade Locker that you can set up trade templates where it's just going to, you know, or I could set it up to sell half of the position. Just kind of looking around, exploring trade locker a little bit. Yeah, we're only looking for long trades right now, so we need to wait for this to kink up anyway, so we probably have a few minutes. Okay, yep, still waiting for this to kink up and look at maybe going long here. Alright, if you're just joining us, we did take a trade and got our butts kicked already. So basically, New York Open, we entered right here, went long, and it just went straight to our stop loss. So we've switched the account that we're trading in because can't lose 2 trades in a row with a single account, otherwise we'll breach our daily limit loss. So we're trading in a prop firm challenge account right now. Man, we have not had very good luck in our $10,000 account the last few days. We were up. We're only about just over 1% away from hitting our first phase, and now we've actually drawn the account down into the red. It's wild. Okay, still waiting for this to point back up. Alright, we gotta do something about this playlist. Well, while we're waiting for that, kind of go over a little bit what we were experimenting with last night. So I think something that's going to help is picking a pair to trade where conditions are already favorable instead of just trading gold. It turns out gold actually looked really good today, so good separation from our moving averages. This is maxed out. We're green here, moving up. And then I realize that there's a problem that I have with pretty much all of these pairs except for gold, is that in order to hit the take profit levels for our size of the trades that we're taking, we have to have a massive lot size relative to our account in the euro, pound, yen, and UCAD, and pretty much our profit in that trade would be completely eaten up by commissions because it's $7 per lot. And like, let's see. So if we were to trade the pound euro, for example, we would need to do, it's like 3 lots to hit our, to make it equivalent as if it were trading gold. We'll only need to use 0.2 lots, or sorry, 1.5 lots on our $5,000 account here. So, I mean, our profit target per trade in this $5,000 account is $20 per trade. Oh, no. I don't want these notifications. Oh, get out. Hold on. Why am I getting these notifications? Hang on a second. logged into that Gmail account. What the heck? Oh, whatever. Yeah, anyway. So 1.5 lots. So basically $10 when one leg, I mean, we're basically paying for the commission. Or our profit pays for the commission there. It's pretty ridiculous. So we need to explore some other assets that we can trade that are similar to gold, where we don't need to have these massive position sizes relative to our account, because we're looking for just, we're scalping. So either we need to adjust our how much we're going for per trade on these other assets that we're trading, or we just need to pick assets that have a high value per lot, I guess is the way you could put it. Okay, we're starting to move back up here on our 5 minute on gold. So at this point, we would need to wait for this to draw back down below our 80 level and then move back up before we actually get back in here. I should double check to make sure. Check on our news today. I also did a little bit more research into this prop firm that I'm using. It's relatively new. I think it's new as of last year, but it's called Prop 365. And hang on a sec here. Just want to make sure there isn't any news. A little bit of news at 8. Orange third folder at 8. Yellow folder at 8:30. So nothing too concerning. But we did a little deeper look into the rules, and it says that you can't have a single trade idea exceed a 2% stop loss, which is weird because most of our trades exceed 2% and we haven't got any warnings. Also, you can trade during news events only during the challenge, but not during a live account when you get funded. And that's 5 minutes before and after a major news event, which doesn't make sense to me. Like, if you have proven that you can trade through news events, in fact, news events actually tend to be pretty good for this strategy. Alright, we're making our way up to this high here. Yeah, looks like gold is shooting. I guess that's not a highest high. Well, at least from what I can see here, yeah, we're working on breaking through this high, which is actually, I think, good news. Why does it adjust every time? I don't understand. Come on, green charts. This software's green charts, by the way. I got my trade locker up here on my other screen where we actually execute our trades, but I like green charts as far as our charting platform. Alright, we are pointing up. We're just looking for this to pull back a little bit. and then go back up. What'd I say? We have an orange folder at 8? Yeah. So that should shake things up just a little bit. I wonder if it considers orange folders a major trading event or major news event or whatever. Because sometimes you can have a red folder and it literally doesn't do anything. I guess it depends on the, where the news is and what commodity you're trading. Is that highest? Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. Yeah, we are trying to push for highest highs here. I think it's worth putting a level. Oh, jeez, come on. Let me put it where I want. There we go. Really? Oh. It only stayed on there 4 hour. So basically 92. Is where a lot of people are going to be putting that. So something to be aware of. I don't understand why these adjust so bad whenever I get the larger view of my charts here. That's probably... Yeah, right there, give or take. Okay, just looking for this pullback here. Gonna need something a little bigger than that. can't believe. Check our trade here. Went long and it just went down so fast. Very unfortunate. Oh my gosh. I have a bad habit of arguing politics with people over Facebook. Oh my gosh. Just looking at some of these comments and responses. Oh man, by the time we get this pullback here, this is going to be pointing down again. This is probably pretty close to... No, we're past this. Whoa. Where'd my line go? Alright. It doesn't like doing that. Orange folder did nothing. Wow. The latency on this stream is pretty long, actually. That's wild. Like a full 30 seconds or so. Yeah, so since we have a second, I'll kind of go over what I was experimenting with last night. So we basically pick a pair to trade this day based off of how our 4-hour charts look over here, which is why we picked gold. Gold looked pretty good. The yen would look pretty good to go short. No on the CAD. The euro would probably be third best choice toward the long side, but a little choppy. But yeah, we picked gold, and I've been back testing this. I've done 2 months worth using these pairs, and then it was after 2 months of back testing that I realized that this wouldn't work with these other pairs because of commissions. But commissions aside, let's see, we tested January and February of 24, and we would have been up almost 47% after 2 months. So it seems to be working pretty good, but it's a shame it didn't work out because of commissions. So we're probably gonna have to, like I said, we're gonna look at I'm gonna back test oil a little bit because lot size would be the same as gold. See if we can find some other assets that are gonna have small lot sizes that are gonna be sufficient for our trading strategy. Okay, so this is what we're looking for here. So we're getting a pullback. Looks like we're actually getting some... Ow, my line went away. Yeah, we are bouncing off pretty hard off of that level that we put up here, which is pretty much right there. So we're bouncing off of highest highs. Still putting up strong here, so I think what happens is we pull back and try again, and I'm hoping that we get an opportunity to hop in, take a trade on this reattempt, and hopefully it breaks through and just keeps going. Okay, so we're retesting. Something that I don't think would be ideal is if we got a signal to enter a long position and we're just sitting here right at this level. Don't think that would be ideal. Probably be one of those trades where we either win pretty quick because it breaks through and wants to keep going, or it rejects off again and we get stopped out. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get a signal to hop in here unless we get a strong move to the upside, which, based off of where it is right now, would be a breakthrough. Oh, I think I need to go look at my 4-hour chart here and see exactly where this high is. 'Cause I think that is get an exact number here. $90.11. Yeah, so that's it right there. And we are getting the signal to hop into this trade. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. So we're looking for at least a push above a little bit before a retest at the very least. So we got two legs, one with a stop, a take profit at 100 points up, 100 ticks up, 400 points below, and then our second leg, which doesn't have a take profit but has the same stop loss. And the point of that one is to see if we can get a runner. What our levels look like on a 5-minute. Okay, we got a little bit of room to move here. So hopefully if we do bounce back down before it retries, hopefully it doesn't go back down too far. But yeah, really looking for this to break this high. All right, so we're not breaking through just quite yet. Okay, still poking at these highs. I mean, you might be overanalyzing here, but it's better to have longer wicks on the bottom when you want it to go higher than on the top overall. Yeah, I think that might be overanalyzing just a little bit though. I typically try not to read too much into 1 minute candles. I think 5 minute candles are more telling. Okay, we're poking. We're poking. Ugh, come on, poke harder. Okay, something that is a good, that looks good here is we're starting to get green bars on our awesome oscillator. However, this one just went red, so that's not ideal. Alright, this one's green again. Here we go. Let's see which. Right, that gray line is our take profit up here. Okay, here we go. This is what we're waiting for. Come on, just punch through. Let's break this level enough to where we can call a drawback, a retest. Oh, come on. A little further, a little further. Just go. It's so close. It poked it. A little more. No. Ah. Come on, come on. Here we go. No, 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 no. Ah. Oh my gosh. Seriously? That's like 2 ticks. Oh my gosh. I swear if we go down and lose this trade after literally touching our take profit. Just going right back down to where we were hanging out for the last 5 minutes. Yeah, you can tell we're getting some more excitement here. Look at how close that was. All right, let's try again. Let's go. Oh, brother. Yeah, this is that high. And it just does not want to get up there. Still green on our 5-minute awesome oscillator. Yep, not anymore. Gosh, I'm afraid to say something about our support level here, because then as soon as I say something, it's gonna slam right through it. This has a lot of potential to be a really good trade. It just, Gotta break above that level. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, just like I said, as soon as I say something about having support, it's gonna break it. Okay. Come on. Actually hit it this time. Actually hit it. Here we go. Hit it. Oh my gosh, hit it. Oh! Come on. Again. Again, so close. Come on. Just a little further. Uh, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Why is there a wall right there? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I just want out. Let me out. Oh my gosh. How actually close was that? Yeah, it's a little hard to tell, but I mean, it was too close. Like, come on. Like, two more ticks, if that. Oh, man. How many times? One, two. 3, 4, 5. Gosh. How do you get so close to your take profit 5 times? Well, this is bending back up. This is still maxed up. And we have green oscillator. Awesome oscillating bars. Come on, just get there. Let's see exactly how far away we were. All right, so 5 takes off. Oh, finally. All right, moved our take profit, our stop loss on our second leg to just 10 ticks above our entry. All right. Okay, here's the dream. We actually get a strong breakthrough here, and it just, oops, goes to the moon. Although with how the price has been moving the last, who knows how long we've been in this trade, it's unlikely that we don't get stopped out pretty quick here. Almost got stopped out right there, but we're still in. And I think what we're doing, we're actually going to use our awesome oscillator instead of our trend intensity index to decide when to hop out of a trade, assuming that we don't get stopped out before. Man, that trade was so frustrating. Took way too long. Okay, we'll get rid of this, and we'll just put this where our entry is. A little better, something else to look at. Entry is our stop loss, rather, 90.73. Right there. So if we touch this, we get stopped out. So everything that we get past this is candy. So hoping for a real strong breakout here to push to higher highs. I think if we can, I mean, where would people be putting their orders in, their buy orders? We just need to get up to wherever that level is. Yeah, at least indicator wise, everything's pointing for it to want to break out here. Okay, so I mean, I guess we broke out just a little bit here, so this could be looked at as a retesting. And if we can close above the bodies of these candles, or above them completely, I think that is the dream. That is where liftoff begins. Again, we're reading into 1 minute candles, so take that for what it's worth. Okay, oscillator's still green, so we're not getting out just quite yet. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love having to use moving averages on my chart here. It makes the candles look a little too small. And I hate having to manually move my chart. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we just got our runner running. Ooh, we do have a red bar on our awesome oscillator, so we will close this trade out if that is how it is at the post. Which it probably will be. Let's just hope that we can get the most out we can. Out of it we can. Wow, it's too early. I can't talk. And watch, as soon as I close it, it's gonna go to the moon. Alright, we closed it. Oh, wow, what a trade. Oh, man. Yeah, just like I said, as soon as we close our trade, it's gonna go flying. Yeah, see, I hate... What did I say? I told you! got a green bar here. I wonder if it'd be worth going in. Let's see what it would look like if we took an entry right there. Basically just would leave that open until one of these turns red. Something I've been playing around with a little bit. But yeah, in any case, we're not looking to actually take any more trades unless... Kind of same scenario as last time where we break back down and go back up. But yeah, holy cow, we were in this trade. So we entered right here. And so yeah. So at 8:17 we entered. And it finally, where was it? Around here. Finally. I think it was right, yeah, right here. Yeah, it was pretty frustrating. But hey, we got it. What we did not get, however, was our very first trade on our $10,000 account. So... let's see what that's drawn down to now. Let's see. So hold on, where we are in this one. Okay, we're up just about 0.75% on our $5,000 account. On our $10,000 account, I think we're down like 3. Yeah. Down 3.3%, which is, you know, yeah, that's what a loss looks like. Yeah, darn. If I had entered right here, it'd be a good looking trade so far. As soon as I close it, it goes to the moon, just like I said. Okay, so we still, oh my gosh, our $10,000 account's so frustrating. We were like 1% away from hitting our first phase, and now we're buried in a hole we gotta dig out of. Pretty frustrating. Frustrated. Yeah, man, right here I closed my runner. And then we could have hopped back in here just based off of this, turning green again and still being maxed out here, here, and here. Oh well. We'll just be happy we didn't draw down our $5,000 account today. Up 0.75%, which isn't, you know, this isn't a lot, but look at it. It's going to the moon. Gosh dang. Alright, here's an unlikely scenario, but pull back to that level that we broke, and then going back up within, let's see, within like 5 minutes. And then we get another trade entry. Unlikely, but it's possible. Man, how many points is that? If we had just kept our runner, we'd be up, holy cow, 500 points. How much is 500 points? That's like $90, I think. Let's look, actually. Nah, that's $100. Bother. Oh, bother. That's just funny. I called it too. As soon as we hop out, it's gonna go to the moon. And it did. Oh well. Can't be upset about not making as much money as you could have. You can be upset about losing money. But well, we're gonna need a couple really good days. We got 2 accounts we gotta dig ourselves out of. So on our $5,000 account that that this P&L is showing right here, we're allowed a $400 drawdown, and then our $10,000 account an $800 drawdown, so 10%. So basically, we're down about 2.5–3% on our $5,000 account, and then about the same on our 10,000. Let's actually go back to that. Okay, we're down. Yeah, just over 3% on our 10,000. Look at this. It's still going. Crap's sake, man. Well, I don't think we're going to get any more trade entries. Okay, yeah, if we had entered when this turned green again, if we had done just a little trade here, right here. Yeah, I could have picked all of this up. Wherever this bar closes is where we would have. Let's just, for kicks and giggles, see where that would have put us at. It's all craps and giggles until someone giggles and craps. measure tool. Alright, so from here to here. Yeah, could have picked up an extra $20 or so. Alright, well, thanks for watching, folks. Drew down our bigger account and drew up our smaller account just a little bit, so not a great day, but there's always tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, we'll see you tomorrow.